What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a still image into a video using Google Flow. First, open your browser and go to Google Flow. Then sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, create a new project and wait for the workspace to load. Next, upload the image you want to animate. After the image is uploaded, select it, enter a motion prompt describing how you want your image to move. For example, you can ask for a smooth camera movement, natural character motion, or a cinematic effect. You can also adjust any available settings, such as the video format or duration. If you're not sure what to change, you can simply use the default settings. Once everything is ready, click Generate and wait for Google Flow to create your video. When it's finished, preview the result. If you're not satisfied, you can adjust your prompt and generate another version. Finally, open the finished video, click Download, and save it to your computer. And that's how you can turn a simple image into an animated video using Google Flow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.